autopilot to manual?
Autopilot manual, sir.
Yan. Ito ang manual. Yan. Manual steering na, ha?
Steering, sir.
Okay, manual steering. What is your rating now?
Steering, sir.
001.
001, sir.
002 na. Sige, very good. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Yan.
Starboard. Now starboard 10, sir.
Rather starboard 10 now, sir. Sige. Report.
Buoy, sir.
Ano yan?
Starboard down po. Starboard down po.
Ano nga yung buoy na yan? Hindi naman starboard hand buoy yan eh.
South po, sir.
Okay. Ayusin ninyo yung report. Sir, target sighted. Ha? South Cardinal March. 3 points. Starboard bow. Okay, very good.
Target sighted, sir.
Oh.
3 points. Starboard bow.
Ano yun?
Anchor, sir. Vessel anchor, sir.
Na-identify mo na?
Yes, sir.
Saan? Hindi na. Paano mo nang masasabi yan? Papakita mo yung shapes. Titignan mo yung shapes. Paano mo masabing anchor vessel yan? Gamitin ng binocular. Ang huhula kayo, ano, daiki pa si Madam Auring? Binocular. Ituruan ko na kayo. Tumingin dyan, agaw kumindot. Midship! Midship!
Midship, sir.
Midship lang muna. Execute.
Midship, sir.
Zero.
Zero, sir.
Be more rather midship now, sir.
Rather midship, sir.
Rather midship.
Rather midship, sir. Sir. Vessel target, sir. Vessel aground, sir.
Yan, ganyan. Vessel, run aground. How many points?
1 point, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, target sighted, sir.
Port 5.
Sir, target sighted, sir.
Port 5.
4 point, sir. Mark, sir.
Hold lang.
Rather port 5, sir.
Very good. Port 10.
Sir, target sighted,
Port 10.
sir.
Sabihin mo port 10.
Rather port 10, sir.
Okay.
Sailing vessel, sir. Approximate. Broad.
Dito kayo mag-kuha ng reference yan. Pinakikita na para malapit.
Port bow, sir.
Port 15.
Port 15, sir.
Port 15. Rather port 15.
Rather sa port 15, sir.
Okay.
Sir, target sighted, sir. North, Cardinal Mark, sir.
Okay, how many points?
3 points sa port side, sir.
3 points port side na naman. 3 point port bow.
3 point port bow, sir.
What is your heading now?
Ready, sir. 0 to 3, sir.
Okay, 0, 2, 3. Port 20.
Port 20.
Oh, yan oh, nakita niyo
Now,
yung day
port
shape niya.
20, sir.
Ayan oh. Ano sa container, may day shape yan eh. Sa'yo yan
Sir,
eh.
target sighted, sir. Broad ports. Bow, sir.
Ano yan? Huwag mo nang hanapin yan pag wala dyan. Midship.
Midship, sir. Rather midship, sir.
Very good. What is your heading now? Course.
Ready, sir. 356.
Okay, 356.
Sir, target sighted, sir. Dead ahead, sir.
Ano yun?
Sailing vessel, sir.
Ha?
Sailing vessel, sir.
Sailing vessel?
Yes, sir.
How do you know that that's a sailing vessel? Tignan niyo yung shapes.
Yes, sir.
Tagal natin ano dyan eh.
Is Cardinal Mark, sir. In 1 point, starboard bow, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10. Starboard 10, sir.
Okay, starboard 20.
Starboard.
Ha? Oh.
Rudder starboard 20, sir.
Okay, very good.
Papasok kayo.
Midship.
Midship. Midship, sir.
Rudder midship, sir. Very good. Oh, anong cardinal marks yan? Nasa 1 point po, starboard bow.
1 point starboard bow, sir. Is cardinal mark, sir.
Is cardinal marks.
Yes, sir.
Hindi is lateral marks.
Is cardinal mark, sir.
It's cardinal marks.
Yes, sir.
Hawak sa manibela. What is your reading now?
Sir. Ready, sir. 341, sir.
Okay. Steady 341, ha? Ito, yan, tugboat yan.
Ito, sir. Power driven, sir.
Yes.
Walang shape, sir.
Identify those targets. Starboard 10. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10, sir. Now starboard 10, sir. Sir, target sighted.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20, sir. Sir. Hit ahead.
Okay, very good. Power to the vessel. Passenger ships dead ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, target sighted, sir.
Ito anong barko ta?
Tugboat, sir.
Ayan, yung sa kabila. Ano yung lateral marks na yun? Yung black, red. Ano bang ginawa nyo kanina? Tingnan nyo, mababangga na tayo. Nag-identify pa kayo.
Ito, sir.
Ayan o, anong barko to? Ayan o. Nandyan na nga o. Tingin kayo
Ano, sir?
na tingin dyan eh.
Yes, sir.
Good ship.
Ground, sir.
Okay, very good. How many points?
Broad.
Mag-report kayo ng maayos.
Starboard side, sir. Broad.
Broad on starboard bow.
Starboard bow. Pero target sighted, sir. North cardinal mark, sir. 1 point in port bow, sir.
Okay, about 2 points port bow. Mararamdaman nyo naman eh.
Ay, sir.
Hindi kayo ship up. Port 10! Port 10!
Port 10, sir. Sir, target sighted, sir. Anchor vessel, sir.
Yan.
1 point starboard bow, sir.
Very good. Identify nyo lang eh. Report kayo eh. Pinahirapan yung sarili ninyo. Oh, ito anong yan?
Sir, target sighted, sir. 1 point ram, sir.
Ram.
Approximate 1 point on port starboard port bow, sir.
Almost dead ahead na eh, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Port 20!
Port 20, sir. Rudder 20, sir.
Rudder port 20!
Rudder port 20, sir. Sir, target sighted, sir. Sailing vessel.
Tingin ka ako ng tingin sa monitor.
Broad port bow, sir.
What is that?
Broad, sir. Fishing vessel, sir.
Okay, very good. Fishing vessel. Broad on port bow. Very good. Hanap ng mga target na nandyan. Okay. Midship!
Midship.
Presence of mind ba? Oh, ito hindi na-identify ito.
Identify coordinate.
Ano yun? Oh,
Sir, is cardinal mark, sir.
hindi yan is cardinal marks. Isolated danger marks yun. Uy, saan tayo? Brother midship na!
Midship, sir.
Okay, steady!
Ready.
Counter of the sweep. Nakita mo, kagawa tayo sa start. Sa pabura. Yan, 20. Dito natin. Bumaba yung rate of turn, eh, no? Okay? Pag malapit na maubos yan, pula na yan. Check ka na, oo. Yan. What is your reading now?
349.2 sir.
Okay, pagka 349.2, point mo na lang yan, sige bumababa ka, kargaan mo ng 5 sa starboard. Ha? Oo, yan. Yan muna, 349 tayo ha. Kapag tayo sa 349 yan. Ha? Okay, sige. So, midship wheel. Midship wheel. Okay, sige. Helmsman, change manual to autopilot.
Manual to autopilot sir.
Sige, pindot ang autopilot. Autopilot now, sir.
Autopilot now sir.
Sige, heading 349, ha?
Heading 349 sir.
Okay, change man on the wheel. Sabi mo, change man on the wheel.
Change man of the wheel sir.
Heading 349.
Heading 349 sir.
Sige, sinong susunod? Tanggalin yung ano na yan. Papel, tanggalin papel. Okay, man on the wheel. Okay, helmsman, change autopilot to manual.
Manual to autopilot to manual sir.
Okay, manual now, sir, ha?
Manual now sir.
Okay, starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Sumubra ka na. Magbabasa ka ba? Hindi yan rate of turn yan. Yan o, ratot. Pinakita ko mga sa inyo eh. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
Oh, mag-identify ng barko, ha? Mga lateral marks, mga buoy.
Hard starboard now sir.
Okay, very good. Starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Ayusin mo yung paglagay ng rudder, ha? Kung saan, ha? Midship.
Midship.
Mag-reply, ha? Mag-reply.
Midship now sir.
Okay, very good. What is your reading now?
Heading sir, 010 sir.
010. Okay, very good. Port 10.
Port 10. Port 10 now sir.
Okay. Port 20.
Port 20. Port 20 now sir.
Hard port.
Hard port. Hard port now sir.
Okay. Port 20.
Port 20. Port 20 now sir.
Midship.
Midship.
May mga buoy dyan. May mga target pa dyan. Steady.
Steady sir.
Counteract the swing. Lagyan mo ng 20, ha? Yan. Nantayan mo na yung rate of turn natin. Pag nag-close na sa 0 yan, midship ka kagad, okay? Then, wait the heading, ha? Huwag ka na muna magbawas. Okay, balik. 0. Course.
Midship sir. Steady sir. 005 sir.
Okay, 005. Steady 005, okay?
Ay sir. Steady 005 sir.
Okay, port 10.
Port 10.
Yan, may hand, port hand buoy. Ha? Kulay red.
Port 10 now sir.
Starboard hand buoy, kulay red, ha? Port 20.
Port 20.
Sa region B tayo pag nasa...
Oh, we are in region B. Ha?
Port 20 now sir.
Pagkain sa ranang region B.
Pagka nasa region B tayo, red ang starboard hand buoy. Pagka region A, green ang starboard hand buoy. Midship.
Midship. Midship now sir.
Okay, steady.
Steady sir.
Yan na yung buoy na yan. Yan, oh.
Yes, sir.
Na-report na yan. Yan. Yan, oh. Anong buoy yan? Yan, oh. Red and white stripes.
C, sir.
Safe what?
Sailing, sir.
Sailing. Ano yung boy? Hindi ko tinatanong yung barko. Wala namang sailing vessel dyan eh. Safety watermark.
Steady now, sir.
Safety sailing kung ba yan sa
What is your heading now?
Heading, sir. 351, sir.
Okay, starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Hanapin niyo yung lubang mga target. Kagaya niya, no?
Starboard 10 now, sir.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Starboard 20 now, sir.
Okay, very good. Midship.
Midship. Midship now, sir.
Okay. Steady.
Steady.
Read the rate of turn, ha? Very good.
Steady now, sir.
Okay, what is your heading now?
Heading, sir. 354, sir.
Okay, 354. Sige, manual to autopilot.
Manual to autopilot, sir.
Okay, midship wheel, ha? Sige.
Autopilot now, sir.
What is your heading?
Heading 354, sir.
Okay, change man on the wheel.
Change man on the wheel, sir.
Okay. Okay, new man on the wheel.
Change human on the wheel, sir.
Okay. Helmsman, change autopilot to manual. Report mga targets. Lateral marks, cardinal marks, mga barkong parating, ha? Okay, what is your heading now?
354, sir.
Okay, nandyan din ang 354. Oh. Ha?
Yes, sir.
Starboard 10.
Starboard 10, sir.
Starboard 10 lang. Wala mo na, sir. Ha? Starboard 20.
Starboard 20.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Rather, starboard 20, sir.
Okay, very good. Hard starboard.
Hard starboard, sir.
Ano naman? Oh. Rather hard starboard, sir.
Rather, hard starboard.
Starboard 20.
Starboard 20. Rather, starboard 20, sir.
Kahit na malayo pa yan, i-report nyo na yan. Starboard 10.
Starboard 10.
Huwag niyong palapitin ng palapitin tapos sa kayo mag-report. Malayo pa lang, i-report nyo na. Kung
Rather,
makita nyo
starboard
na.
10.
Na-identify nyo na. Midship,
Target sa midship.
hindi nag-aantay kayo ng abiso. Kayong lookout eh.
Midship.
Sir, target sighted, sir.
Rather midship now, sir.
Rather, midship now, sir.
Steady!
Steady.
Counteract the swing. Hindi mo steady, naka-steady ka lang. Gantihan mo. Gantihan mo yung rate of turn.
Yan ang mga matipid, sir.
Hindi naman yung minor. Diyan ka lang muna. Pag nag-zero na yan, balik ka sa
Target sighted,
midship.
sir.
With, ano, ha? Yo.
Full time boy, sir.
Yes, very good. Ayan, ito port hand boy, ha? Ayan, o. 1 point, about 1 to 2 points port bow, ha? Stop. Midship.
Midship.
Port 10.
Port 10, sir.
Port 10. Sa ba ang port? Port 20. Port 20.
Rather, port 20, sir.
Hard port.
Hard port. Rather, hard port, sir.
Okay, very good. Presence of mind.
Sir.
What is your heading now? What is your reading now?
Sir,
Masabi mo ngayon.
1401 po, sir.
Target sighted po, sir.
410.
Starboard, sir. Light port.
14.
Port side boy, sir. Starboard.
Pag sinabing port, sa kaliwa yun. Pag the starboard handboy, sa kanan.
Other 14.
Midship.
Shape.
Wala naman.
Ayan, no? Ano yung barko na yan?
Sir, mid shape.
Hindi nyo ma-identify. Ano yung barko na yun? Ilaw naman ang pinapakita. Steady!
Steady.
Sinabi steady, counter ang the swing. Patayin mo yung right of turn. Hindi naka-steady ka lang na gano'n. Tingin sa right of turn. Sa kulit mo. Pindutin yan. Touchscreen yan eh. Yan oh. Red, white, red. Hindi kayo nag-review eh.
Mark, sir.
Red, white, red. Vessel what? Restricted in her ability to maneuver. Parang black diamond na ball, diamond ball lang yan.
Arab, sir.
Ramsey. Hindi kayo talaga nag-review.
Tulog po.
420, starboard 20.
Starboard 20, sir.
Target sighted, sir. Port side, sir.
Midship.
Shape.
Sabi ko naman. Cyber sa Manila eh. Nakita nyo?
Mid
Yung
shape.
mga barko na yan. Yan oh. 2 red lights in vertical line. Ano yan? Binigay na natin yan dun sa ano eh. Oh. Not under command. Vessel not under command, sir. Target sighted.
Sir, target sighted, sir.
How many points?
3 points, sir. In starboard bow, sir.
Ano nga?
Not under command, sir.
Okay. Nag-midship na ba tayo?
Yes, sir.
410.
14. Other 14. 14.
Sino pa hindi nagtimon? Wala na, no?
Wala na, sir. Last na po, sir.
Okay. Naka 20 minutes na tayo. O, sige. Hemsman. Change manual to autopilot.
Change. Manual to autopilot.
Sige. Okay.
Autopilot, sir.
Okay, midship wheel, ha? Kailangan pag ganun, naka-midship wheel tayo. Ha?
Wala mo.
Pagka ganun, mag-midship wheel tayo. Okay, change. Autopilot. O, sige. Gusto kayo dyan. Come on. Picture ako kayo. Dito.